you're encountering the League of Legends Matchmaking Error 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue and get back into the game. Step 1. Restart the game. Close League of Legends completely and restart it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game client. Make sure your League of Legends client is fully updated. Open the client and allow it to download any available updates, as outdated versions can lead to matchmaking errors. Step 4. Repair the game. Use the built-in repair tool in the League of Legends client. Go to the settings menu, select the Initiate Full Repair option, and follow the prompts. This will fix any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the error persists after trying the previous steps, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling League of Legends. This can help resolve any deep-rooted issues with the game installation. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the matchmaking error and enjoy your game. If problems continue, consider reaching out to League of Legends support for further assistance.